Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send a message like this: no internet connection if your other does not have internet access. As you can see, currently my system has no internet access. That's why it is showing me this message. But now let me turn on my Wi-Fi so that my system can able to get internet access. Just wait. So now my system can able to get internet access. As you can see, after getting the internet, the message which appeared before called no internet connection, it disappeared now. So when I again turn off my Wi-Fi, that message will be displayed as you can see. So if I click on Wi-Fi again, whenever my system can able to access internet, this message will be disappeared. As you can see now my system has internet access. That's why that message is disappeared. So let's get started. So first of all, let me open my VS Code. So this is our root file, right? app.jsx. So if you have time, please visit my previous videos, guys, so that you can able to know what this code does. So I will give you the links in the top right corner as well as in the description. So inside this, I'm going to create a state variable with name online status and a function to update that state variable with name set online status. So inside this, I'm going to use useState hook, and inside this, I'm going to use the value as navigator.online. So by using this navigator.online method, we can able to check whether the user have internet access or not. So this navigator.online method will return a boolean value, which means it returns either true or false. So if user have internet access, this navigator.online method will return true. If user does not have internet access, this navigator.online method will return false. So whatever value which is returned by this navigator.online method, we are storing that inside our online status variable. So below this, I'm going to use use effect hook. So inside this, it will take a callback function as the first parameter. So inside this, I'm going to use add event learner function. So let me copy this and paste it again, because we have to capture two events. So one event is online and another event is offline. So these two are events in our JavaScript. So we have these events in our JavaScript. So this online event will be triggered if you other have internet access. So if you other have internet access, this online event will be triggered. And if online, we are going to create a function called set online. So if your other is offline, this offline event will be triggered. So if offline, we are going to call set offline function. Now let's create these two functions. Function set online, set online. So if your other is online, we are going to call this set online status function and add the value as true. Let's create set offline function set offline, and inside this, let's call this set online status function again and add the value as false. So in order to display some message here, we have to write inside our JSX code, which is after this return keyword. So we have to access this online status variable. So to access that, it is a JavaScript code. So in order to access those, we have to use inside curly braces. So in order to access that inside our JSX code, we have to write that inside our curly braces. So now we can able to get this value of this online status. So let's give online status and add not operator. So this not operator, I think you guys know about that. If you don't know, this not operator is used to give the opposite value of this online status variable. So if the value of this online status is false, this not operator will change that value from false to true. So if the value of this online status is true, this not operator will convert that true value to be false. So if this is true, we're going to call AND operator, and then I'm going to create a div tag, and inside this I'm going to add a message like no internet connection. So now first let's check whether it's working or not. After that I will explain you. So let me turn off the Wi-Fi. So now I don't have internet access. That's why you can able to see this no internet connection message is displaying. So if I turn on my Wi-Fi again, that message will be disappeared. Just wait. Now Wi-Fi is connected. As you can see, this message is disappeared now. If I turn off, that message will again come. So now at this point, we don't have internet access, right? Since we don't have internet access, this navigator.online method will return false. and currently the value of this online status is false, right? So here the online status value is false, right? But we are giving not operator. So this online status value will become true. Since it is true, we are displaying this no internet connection message. As well as if user does not have internet access, this event will be triggered offline. So when the event is offline, we are calling set offline function, and inside this set offline function, we are calling set online status function, and we are adding the value the online status to be false. That's why we are seeing this message. So now if I turn on my Wi-Fi again, just wait until it is connected. So now Wi-Fi is connected. That means we have internet access. So since we have internet access, this navigator.online method will return true. So now the value of this online status is true. Since the value of online status is true, this not operator will change that value to be false. Since it is false, we are not able to get this no internet connection message. So if I open the Chrome, as you can see, that message is not coming because this online status value is false. So I think you have understood it, guys. So whenever the navigator.online method, so whenever we have internet access, this will return true, as well as this online event will be triggered. So whenever we don't have internet connection, this navigator.online method will return false, and this offline event will be triggered, and we are calling set offline function, and inside that we are making this online status variable value to be false. Since it is false, we are converting that value false to be true by using this not operator. Since it is true, we are able to seeing this no internet connection message, as you can see here. So to add styles to this, we can simply use a selector. So I'm going to add ID and give the name as no internet connection. So as you can see, currently this app component is imported a CSS file with name app.css. So let's open that app.css file. Now inside this, I'm going to select this div tag with ID no internet connection. Let me copy this and paste it inside our app.css file. Let's give some padding of 10 pixels and add the background color as red. Now let's check. As you can see, that message is displayed with background red color. Let's make the text element to be center so that the text will be centered. So I also want to move this position from here to top. So for that I'm going to use position as fixed and top 0 pixels as well as left 0 pixels. So now if you can see, it is coming here. Now let's make this width to be full. So for that I'm going to use max width property. So the maximum width will be 100% as well as width will be 100%. So now it will take the full width which is available in the screen. Now as you can see, we are getting the full width because we have given 100%. So I think you have understood it, guys. So if you don't understand, please comment down so that I can able to explain it again. So thank you so much for watching, guys.